Evie Beggs, a remarkable 17-year-old from Llanelli, is an inspiration to many pupils in her school and has progressed through the Young Ambassador programme at Ysgol Estrada, reaching the National Youth Panel. Her dedication extends beyond school, volunteering with Morganite Netball and Llanelli Swimming Club. Evie's umpiring and coaching skills shine, inspiring confidence and participation in others. Balancing her studies and volunteer work, Evie embodies the spirit of dedication and passion, making her a true role model.
Mae Max yn 14 oed ac yn mynychu ysgol Bryngwyn. Mae Max wrth ei fod gyda pêl-droed, ond nid chwaraewr yn unig ydyw. Mae hefyd yn sylfaenydd tîm dan 14 newydd sbon yn Ferin Fwl. Sylwodd Max bod yna 10 tîmau ar gyfer ei grŵp oedran, felly penderfynodd ddechrau ei dîm ei hun. Byddai hyn yn her fawr, ond roedd Max yn barod i fynd i'r afael â hi. Ar ôl recriwtio'r hyfforddwyr perthnasol a chasglu'r nawdd oedd ei angen, aeth y tîm i mewn i'r gynghrair leol ac mae'n bellach yn ffynnu. Mae Max yn ysbrydoliaeth i lawer.
Teian is a dedicated 17-year-old who volunteers at Llanelli Swimming Club. He has many roles within the club, ranging from coaching at club sessions to officiating at competitions. As well as these roles, he is a keen swimmer and is always on hand to help other swimmers through his role as club captain. He gets great satisfaction from seeing his pupils progress from his swimming classes into the club and will watch them compete wherever he can. Teian commits many hours to his volunteering roles and is an integral part of the club's success.